are beaches that are suited for people who prefer to surf casually and want to ride waves without much drama. And then there are beaches that have waves that are so large that it is only right to term them extreme. The most courageous and experienced surfers may only hope to experience the exhilarating rush of surfing in waters like these at some point in their lives. Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Today we are going to talk about the top 10 beaches with the biggest waves. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to smash the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. Number 10. Waimea Bay, Hawaii. The waves of Waimea Bay, which can be seen on the north shore of Oahu, are known for being both large and breathtaking, and they are reliable. It is considered to be one of the most notable large wave beaches in Hawaii, and has played a significant role in the development of big wave surfing. Quicksilver holds its annual Big Wave Invitational competition in Waimea Bay. Number 9. Praia do Norte, Portugal. Praia do Norte in the country of Portugal was the location where Garrett McNamara rode his most impressive wave, which measured approximately 100 feet in height. The enormous waves of Praia do Norte, which are also known as North Canyon, will absolutely dwarf you, which is precisely why surfers from all over the world are drawn to Praia do Norte for the opportunity to experience them. The fall and winter seasons offer the most favorable conditions for catching huge and towering waves. Number 8. Punta de Lobos, Chile. Punta de Lobos in Chile is the destination to go to if you want to experience the best of all of South America. Although there are sections of Punta de Lobos where surfing doesn't require a high level of expertise, when the waves in these areas get big, they may be rather challenging to ride. It's common for waves of 20 to 30 feet to arrive without any prior warning, and the water can be rather heavy. Number 7. Mavericks, California. There aren't many surfers who haven't heard about Mavericks, but the vast majority of them won't ever surf there because it's practically a wish for their own death if they don't have exceptional talents. Mavericks Beach, which is just a half-mile away from Half Moon Bay in California, is widely regarded as one of the best beaches in the world for large wave surfing. Because the waves are so powerful where they break, they are frequently capable of being measured on the Richter scale. As a result, you can be certain that the world's top surfers will congregate there throughout the winter months. Waves at Mavericks have been known to reach heights of more than 60 feet at their peak, but on average they are roughly 25 feet. Number 6. Dungeons, South Africa. Huge waves, freezing waters, and sharks are among the elements that make Dungeons, which is located off the coast of South Africa near Hout Bay and Cape Town, so well known. The combination of these two factors turns Dungeons into a virtual death zone and discourages even the most skilled surfers from venturing there. However, those who aren't frightened to ride the waves there are in for a tremendous treat and an unforgettable experience. There are others who consider Dungeons and Dragons to be the Mavericks of the Southern Hemisphere, and the two bands are frequently contrasted with one another. Both of them have takeoffs that are nearly vertical, and it can be difficult to forecast what will happen. The waters of Dungeons are capable of supporting waves of up to 40 feet in height, with the months of May through October being the ideal period to catch the most impressive ones. Over the course of several years, Dungeons & Dragons has played host to the Red Bull Cape Fear event. Peter Button and Pierre de Villiers, both of Cape Town, are credited with becoming the first surfers to ride Dungeons, which they did in 1984. Since that time, Grant Baker has developed into one of the most skilled riders in the world when it comes to tackling the massive waves at Dungeon. Because this surf area can only be reached by chartering a boat and because great white sharks frequently dine there, this is made worse by the fact that fishermen constantly enter and exit Hout Bay. Individuals who go to surf at Dungeons need to be extremely cautious when they are in the water. No, that's a wrap on the video. I hope you liked it if you did. Let me know by giving it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.